I thought 2 times after that we could come on. You're going to have to eat some, aren't you? So we never go and see mine don't play out now. Oh, shit! Oh, God. Right, we're going to get some more back later now. We'll get you some later.
Mom, have you got that?
I don't know yet. Alright, Sid. Let's have a go then. Get off. What do you do? Oh, like that. Oh, yeah.
What the? Is that the big old shit?
No, mine. TNT.
That was a big fire, Janet. Janet.
Oh yeah. No, watch out for fireworks. Where is it?
Where's Jamie?
Right, can I have that brush now? Standing on the floor, it's all tidy now. I know, it goes because it's like because he does go out anyway. I said he does go out, he goes away to his granddad. Like he's jealous of my dad. Yeah, he is. He was saying, oh, it's done you good job, and you've got to wait you out, but you can't talk to them for people. Hold that and make sure it's good. You don't know what about that one? Comes in and out of the light all the time. Oh, the world saying where baby calling me a bad mom. And you stopped!
I don't think so.
You can take it.
I didn't know, yeah.
I don't know. But you have to...
Get your leg down and forward.
I've got a bottle of wine in boot.
No, later, I've run out. I have paid bills.
Swear down.
Yeah, it'll be freezing. I bet it's cold in the fridge out here.
I bet it is. I bet it's nice, you know.
He's got all these speakers
Next
and
time.
hi-fi stuff. We know what we're doing.
I have to drive Kate home.
Road.
I have to drive Kate home. I have to drive Kate down home yesterday. Right, wait, look, right. You fucking pig.
Wait to YouTube, James. Wave to YouTube, Tom.
We got a glove on. Anybody wants some pie?
Caroline. Caroline.
Yes,
Caroline.
I have.
Wave to YouTube.
Hi, hang on, can I wave? Wave to YouTube.
What?
Teacher.
See us on YouTube now. It's taking over YouTube. It's Luke Pot Gaming. Fireworks special video. Welcome to Fireworks 2016. The way show with all the amazing bonfire night with all the fireworks.
Right left. Stand up here.
All these amazing guests.
Riley.
Hold it in.
You're going to stand here and watch Riley. Will I go to Paul? Riley.
Mom,
Put together.
have you got that thing?
No, stop.
Riley.
Riley.
You don't want to stand here and watch your mum.
And look at all these amazing fireworks by far.
Oh.
Like in Clayton.
Why don't you let him? Why don't you let him?
Doesn't want to go there now.
All right, that. Yeah, top Mark with Adam that.
On the back, did it show like loads of different?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna find some purple.
I remember like 8 big explosions and then like...
Oh, there's no purple there.
Big explosion.
How many rocks are on now? Has anyone got one
Cal.
of the chores?
Wave it on YouTube.
Wait. Away from there.
Wave it on YouTube.
We're not lit.
Over there.
We got some sparklers here with my viewers. Got some sparkles here with my viewers. Does it hurt? Does sparkles hurt? I want to hold it.
Jaden.
It's the ends, it's burning all over. That's it, hold it like that. That's it. There you go. Yeah.
Wow.
Wave it on YouTube, guys.
Wow, write your names. Look at it, Josh looks petrified in corner like a little school kid. Oh yeah, but she's got parking, Paul.
Look at that massive fireworks in
She's got
Clayton.
already parking,
Hold it up.
That was beautiful with that parking.
We're coming back in Thornton. Here, that's where we live. For the amazing fireworks show. Here, on YouTube. This is for YouTube fireworks show. Oh!
Well, that scared everyone.
When they go out, put me in.
That scared everyone.
Need to be cool first.
Jamie, this was so scary.
Oh, I should have got one of them Delta ones.
Oh, what's the sparklers?
Yeah.
Have we got any spare sparklers?
Yeah, there's some more in there.
Delta League 1.
Who's going down to Lake One? Where are you going? We're going further back.
Delta
Don't mind
League
you.
1.
Look at Sarah.
And now it's Jamie for lighting up.
Oh, your hands all sticky.
Oh, they don't beg.
Here comes Jamie, lighting up the rockets. Here, in Thornton, for YouTube fireworks show. Here's Jamie gonna light it up. And here we come.
Paul wants it. Paul, no.
Screamers!
Hey, she's getting a little scared.
That was a screamer.
Yeah, guys, get me.
Jamie. Don't do that again.
Oh, don't worry, Paul, I'll punch him.
Got my permission.
Holly, wave to YouTube.
Pick that parking box up and put it in the bin. What, you want me to hold it? Oh, you want me to come in? Alright, okay, where are we coming in? Where are you going? No, popcorn in there.
We're about to cut. That was a big one. We're about to curtain with this amazing. So in the pub in the curtain. Amazing fireworks. Wave to YouTube, Sarah.
Stand up. No, let me just let you tell him what's the fire.
Here comes the YouTuber, my brother. My brother's a YouTuber. And over here, my neighbour's garden got some fire here with Janet. Wave to YouTube, Janet. So Janet's here, just burning a fire.
Or did he want me to take it back to
Right, over here.
Is that a sparkler?
Hold it, don't move it.
Does it help me?
It won't hurt you.
Just make sure you don't touch the flat bit.
Just hold it at the end, Lou.
It'll start going down, but it won't go near your hands. Try write your name with it, Luke.
Right, go on then, next one.
Go on.
Do you know what, Paul?
Luke, do you want me to hold the phone?
Here's my brother here to say hello to sparkler.
Do you want me to hold the phone for you?
Yeah, for YouTube. For YouTube.
You see, go blue up there.
No, no, stay there.
Do circles, Luke.
Where's the hammer?
Come on now. Come on. It's gone out again. Right,
The Olympic wings. I made it Olympic wings. Watch me do Olympic wings.
No, I'm not playing that, Riley. Can we stand over here and watch the sparklers?
Great camera.
Oh, don't put me in toilet.
Great
Olympic
camera.
wings. Show them. Olympic wings.
Like, James.
No.
James. Great camera.
Over here.
No.
If you see me there, with the sparklers, guys. With sparklers, YouTuber viewers. I'm going to show you some of viewers here. I'm going to be a sparkler there. Over here. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt a lot, but it's coming down. It's getting closer. If I'm done, I'm gonna put some water in until they go away.
Oh, Catherine Wheel. Oh my
Here
god.
goes the Catherine wheel. Tom. Here goes the Catherine wheel, guys.
You can't see it yet. I'm a great cameraman, me.
You're alright, Luke. You're alright, love.
Jamie's got it.
You're alright. Don't panic. That's it.
Mine's out.
Alright. Just put them on the floor.
So put it on the floor.
Yeah, just put them on the floor.
I'm gonna walk all of them.
Here goes the Catherine wheel with Carl. Tom's father. Here.
Who are they for?
We need a light.
I'm fine. I'm gonna let Tom for a commentary to talk to YouTube.
No, you can.
You have to talk very louder. You have to talk very loud. Do some commentary.
You do it.
No, you do it.
No, I don't.
I've done mine.
Luke, do you want another one?
I'm good.
Tom, do you want
Just like that.
I'm
Here
alright,
comes the
yeah.
Catherine wheel with Tom's father with Dad. That's a commentary. Try do it.
You do it. You do it.
Here with Tom.
That's a bit light, isn't it?
Now comes the Now it's Tom for a commentary of a Catherine wheel.
The flameless ones, that one.
Windproof one.
Oh, well, look at the Catherine wheels.
Maybe you should talk and commentary on that.
Right, hang on a minute.
Where did it land?
Move over
I
here.
don't know.
The Catherine wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've told her.
We got-
Yeah, I'm off in a bit. In a bit more, in a bit.
Okay.
Paul, move to one side just to...
Is it still recording, Tom?
Yeah.
Zane,
Come over here, Zane, love, because at fire... Oh, look at that one!
That's beautiful, is that? No?
Oh.
Hey, did you see that one up there? It just went like that.
Is that a two-in-one or something?
yeah, that's a double that.
Yay!
Alright then, weren't they?
Hey, they were good then.
Hi, Jeremy, did you see that one go up in there and go like that? There you go.
Alright, kiddie winks. Alright, kiddie winks.
Who's starting? Who's starting?
We're gonna over here for the kids. With sparklers here, my viewers.
How many subscribers have you got?
59. I need
What you called? I'll have a look later.
Look Pro Gaming. You could, guys. Don't forget to check out my channel. It's Look Pro Gaming here. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this here for part 1. And I'm gonna see you in part 2 for more fireworks show. There's amazing fireworks here in Thornton. And I will see you in part 2. Anything to say, Shoal? Anything to say before I leave the episode? Oh. Anything to say before I leave the episode?
Right, now have it there if you go in there.
Look. Yeah.